Alright guys, so we're back on carpet today. Got 4 bedrooms to clean here and a hallway and just one little pet stain that I'll use to treat it. Alright, so pretty simple, no bad staining anywhere. So far we've pre-treated. Really no need for agitation on this flat carpet. Got the rake in there just so that I could work in the actual pre-treatment and the stuff that I put down on the pet stain. Yeah, no, this is pretty good. Bad traffic area right here. That's wet right now. I mean, I have pre-treated it, so it should clean up pretty good. I'll keep going. Let's take a look at our cleaning temperature here. In these Facebook groups about how the Sapphire Scientific doesn't get hot enough, I just laugh. You don't want to be cleaning carpet much hotter than that, buddy. Either way, give us a call. WindyCitySteam.com 630-947-6034. Alright, so we're all done over here. Been cleaned up really well. In the master bedroom here where we had that dark spot from traffic cleaned up. Carpets should be dry in about 4 hours or so. Beautiful day outside, so perfect day to be cleaning carpets. And I use that Fresh Wave deodorizer. I love the way that stuff smells. And as far as the pet stain, looks like it came out really well. I don't see any sign of it. So we should be in good shape. I'll get out there and I'll wrap up the equipment.